Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Automation and AI. My name is Santosh Nandan. I'm a Senior Solution Architect. In today's session, we will see how you can use the UiPath computer vision technology for automation of applications which are residing on remote server or on Citrix machine. When you access the application via RDP or Citrix, you are actually dealing with the image of that application screen. So identifying object IDs during this automation is not possible. So in such type of automations, you can use computer vision, which is the ML-based model developed by the UiPath. You can use UiPath Cloud Computer Vision Server, cv.uipath.com, or you can also set up the on-premises computer vision server. In most of the cases, the customer doesn't allow to use the cloud-based CV server due to the data security reason. Because when you say computer vision technology, the computer vision always send screenshot to the CV Cloud ML service or the server, and it identifies target object coordinates and also stores the anchor element for that target object. So when I say anchor element means a unique identifier for that target object on a screen. For example, for invoice number test object, invoice number label is anchor element. So to overcome all these data security issues, the UiPath has come up with lightweight computer vision package, which you can include in UiPath Studio for RDP and Citrix automation. So let's see how we can use this package in RDP and Citrix automation using UiPath Studio. So for this demonstration, we will use the eClaim application, which is already installed on this remote machine. But I will show you how you can build a workflow using computer vision on the screens which are captured during the discovery phase using the task capture. Okay, so assume that I don't have any access to this RDP. So till I get the access to this RDP, how I can build the workflow using the screenshots. Okay, so let's open the studio. Okay, I have already taken a screenshot of the login screen. So we'll start with the CV. So you have to just include the computer vision local server, which I have already included in the studio. So start with the CV screens scope. So here you have to just add the API key. I tell you from where you can get this API key. You have to log into the orchestrator. So once you log into the orchestrator to your tenant, go to the licenses, and under licenses, go to the other services, and under the computer vision tab, you can generate either the new key or copy the existing API key. Okay, so you copy this key and paste it here in API key section. Now here, as I said, I don't have access to the RDP server, so I will use the screenshot to build this workflow. So let's indicate the screenshot login screen. Now I have to enter the username and password, so I will use the CV type into activity. Username as admin. Now for password, I will use the another type into activity. Indicate the password text box. Enter password, and then add the CV click on the login button. Okay, save this workflow. Now let's test. So before testing this workflow, I will close the screenshot, and then I will open the actual application on RDP server. Okay. So let's run. So before starting, let's indicate the actual application screen. which is available on the RDP server. Okay, now run the workflow. So it's entered the username, it's entered the password, and you click on the login button, and you got the claim form of the claim application. If you see, when I build this workflow, I did not have access to the remote server actual application screen or the actual application. So I used the screenshots to develop this workflow. So in the CV application, CV screenshot, initially I indicated the application screenshot. Before testing this workflow, I change the indicator and I indicate the actual RDP application screen. But I did not change anything in the rest of the activities. So this is very beautiful feature of this computer vision. Even you don't have access to the RDP server or the actual application, you can build the whole workflow using the screenshots which you have captured during the discovery phase using the task capture. Okay, so this also saves your time, and you don't have to wait till you get the actual access to the RDP server. The same way you can use for the other screen to automate the process. So that's all on the computer vision. If you like this session, so please subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Thank you.